This little chest was found at my local auction. For less than $10, I scooped it up and brought it home with me. It was wobbly. The veneer was peeling, revealing particle board underneath, and it was definitely stained. So let's get to work and fix this up with a little bit of Dixie Belle paint. Let's begin by adding some scrap wood in a bracket form on the sides of this piece. This will shore up the sides and give it a nice strong base. Once that was done, I removed the rest of the failing veneer and filled it up with Dixie Belle's mud. This will leave me a nice flat surface for paint. Today's color choice is going to be Terra Clay paint. The colors I'm using are Moonbeam, Desert Tan, Onyx, and Prairie Dawn. I'm going to start with the darkest color, moving into the lightest color in the middle, keeping a separate brush for each color. Gently dabbing the colors together and using my spray misting bottle filled with water, it's super easy to create an ombre blend. And since you can wet distress and pull back with Terra Clay paint, I'm going to be able to pull back all the paint on those little metal brackets. This paint is super easy to blend. Because you're using water to push the colors together, it's very easy to just tap your brush and get a beautiful aged look. I'm going to add a little bit of the dark onyx as well as some chocolate from the Chalk Mineral paint line to the edges, along with water to create a drippy, distressed look. I want this chest to look very old. Terra Clay paint is amazing for building layers. I'm going to seal my paint with Terra Tough. This is a strong top coat that will lock in those colors. And this is the look that I was totally going for. Dark and moody, definitely looking aged and worn out. You can see the layers of paint, those beautiful cracks and crackles, and that little distress around the edges makes it a perfect vibe. It's totally giving vintage old treasure chest. The next time you'd like to try giving your piece some age, distress, and some dimension, give Terra Clay paint a try. You will love it.